What's up, traders? Keon here from Owls Options Traders. Today's top play was Rivian for a smooth 40% gain. Now, before we get started, let's hit that like and subscribe button so we can keep pumping out more content. If you haven't already, join our group absolutely free for 5 days. If you don't like us, no worries. Keep all the money that you made. Now let's get started. So around 7:40 a.m., we alerted a Rivian 31 and a half call for $93 a premium. So another great trade for our small accounts. For 7:15 expiration, I like to put time on our contracts just in case if the market's just not moving that at all, right? So what did I see? So I saw that it held a 29.99 support previously, not break that level as a resistance, so it pushed down. So once I saw that it bounced off that 29.99 support, I entered the trade. As you can see, it pushed a little higher. Did have some resistance here as well at 30.49. But once it broke above 30.49, it did hit a high of 31.08. So it was a very simple support bounce on the 5-minute chart. See some of our quiet day today for a couple of our members. A couple of our members made some good money. Jimmy James and Arlie pretty well today. Top of our other members. All right, guys. Thanks for watching for this quick trade recap. We will see you guys tonight.